Good morning, students. Today I am going to demonstrate the fourth sem practical, that is determination of molecular mass of a given non-volatile solute. This experiment which you have already done in your regular practical work, you might have forgotten the instrument which you have been already used, and today I am going to brush up this experiment again. So this is a non-volatile solute which is supplied to. You have to determine the mass of this solute only using digital balance. And that you know it, that is you have to determine first the mass of this along with the weighing bottle, and then transfer the substance into this inner jacket tube, and again determine the mass of this empty bottle, and difference of these two weight will give you the mass of the solute which have been transferred into this inner jacket tube. And this is the setup which you are going to do, and this is the steam generator, and here you have to heat this for getting the steam, and steam would be coming out through this outlet, and this is the outer jacket tube, and this outer jacket tube you have to fix it like this, and this is the inner jacket tube, and in this inner jacket tube you have to take first 15 ml of water, about 15 ml of water you have to take in this. So fix it in the inner tube like this, and steam would be, take care to see that thermometer and this bulb of this steam receiving end would be dipped in the water which you have taken here, and when the steam comes from this end, connect this steam generator to this tube like this. You have to connect the steam. So steam passes into this solvent, that is water, starts boiling, and the temperature rises, and record this temperature carefully when it remains constant, and that is the boiling point of water. And after determining the boiling point of water, remove the flame outside, disconnect this steam generator, remove this thermometer and this bulb carefully, and throw this water which is hot, and throw this into the sink, and transfer this weighed substance inside this tube carefully, and transfer water into this the same amount. See that the substance sticking near the mouth would be going inside, same volume 15 ml. You add and then fix it again to the same inner socket tube, and dip your thermometer and steam receiving tube inside the tube, inner jacket tube, connect, keep the flame inside, flame, and then steam will come from this side, connect it to the tube, and again it starts boiling, and this is the boiling point of the solution. And when the temperature remains constant here, record it carefully, and that is the boiling point of solution. And the difference of these two temperature will give you the elevation in boiling point, that is delta T. And substitute that value in your formula to get the molecular mass of this given non-volatile solute. And repeat the same experiment with this solute, that is second trial number 2. Hope you understood.